you to stay. I'm in the game. I run away, dead and buried. I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going to. Cause I'm beautiful, yeah. When I'm with you, no question that this girl's too hating. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Kaylin Elizabeth. Today's video will be some sort of homebody diaries, but at the same time it's gonna be a wellness type of video. Basically, I made a low-key itinerary for this video just so I could stay on track, but I did this last night while I was at work. We're still working on it, but right now I'm about to get ready to go to the chiropractor. This is my first actual appointment time. It is Wednesday, July 9th. It's 3:01. My appointment is at 3:30, so I'm about to get ready to leave now. But if you don't know, I was in a car accident, so now I have to go to the chiropractor. I went Monday to get x-rays and stuff, so today we are reading the x-rays and everything like that. When I leave the chiropractor, I might go to the nail shop and get these nails sloped off. And I think I want to try overlay on my nails just to see if that will help strengthen them and help them grow. So we might see, I don't know, and I might get my eyebrows waxed. We gonna see. But yeah, things first, I need to go to the chiropractor, so I will talk to y'all probably when I'm in the car.
Hey vlog. Okay, so we're currently in 5 and Below. Y'all YouTubers, she don't want to vlog for y'all. This is her channel. So basically what she have is 2 Lego sets. She has a purple one and a blue car. And yeah. Successful shopping trip.
Y'all, so I'm at home. I'm gonna give y'all a little haul of everything I got from 5 Below. Y'all, I went and got my nails done. Look at them, they're very cutesy. This is overlay, so it's like acrylic overlay is what it's called, I guess. And it's supposed to like strengthen and help your nails grow and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see if this works and how it works for me, because I have very weak nails and my nails break off and they're very short and just fragile. So I'm gonna see how this works. Also, I bite my nails, so this might, you know, help with that. But I'm gonna give a haul. First, I got a Lego set. I got the Kuromi car to build. I just got these Clorox wipes. I got 2 for my work bag and for my car. I got this cute Hello Kitty plushie. This is so tea. Like, this is very cute. And then I got me and my brother Takis, of course. I stopped at the dollar store because I had to get Charlie some dog food. But I also got this candy. I'm probably not going to eat both of these. I'll probably give one of these to my brother. So, yeah, I just got those. I got this nail oil. I also got a phone charger. Yeah, that is my little haul. Now, I'm about to go take a shower. So, yeah, I need to do some cleaning, but it's already kind of late. Dang, it's 10 o'clock. So, yeah, and I work a double tomorrow, so I'm off again on Saturday. So Saturday is when we're gonna pick this vlog back up, and yeah, so I will talk to y'all probably Saturday. So it has been a very long time since I last talked to y'all. It's currently Wednesday, July 16th, and it's 4:02 in the afternoon. Y'all, I'm gonna be completely honest, my life literally feels like it's in shambles. Not really, but really. Like, I feel like all I do is work. Like,
these little 16 hours and night shift is very much kicking my behind. Like, I don't know, I low-key feel like night shift is not for me, but I am not a morning person, so yeah. But right now I was just cleaning my room, tidying up. I'm washing my laundry and stuff, and I gotta make my bed. I gotta just get my room together. I went on vacation maybe like a week. When did I go on vacation? I think it was 2 weeks ago now. But I literally still have not unpacked my suitcase from vacation. Yeah, the first of the month. That was 2 weeks ago when I went on vacation. I still have not unpacked my suitcase. My suitcase is still over there on the floor. Like, yeah, it's bad. Laundry is not done. Of course, we know my laundry is never done, but laundry is not done. And I've just been living with clothes on my bed for the past very long. Let me say that. I think y'all saw me go get overlay probably like last week, and I haven't picked up. I said get overlay. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Go get my nose done. But I haven't picked up this camera since then. I'm pretty sure that was the last time I picked up my camera. And my thing is with myself is I'm so behind on editing. Like, I'm very behind on editing, and I don't want to record a new video and it just sit on an SD card. So when I get to work tonight, yes, I do work night shift tonight. So when I go to work tonight, I'm going to get the video that I'm working on now. I'm gonna get that done tonight. Yes, I have to, because I cannot keep holding on to content. I can't do this. Like, I can't do this. So right now, let me just give y'all a brief little life update. So basically, I worked night shift last night. I worked 16 hours yesterday. I'm tripping. I worked 16 hours yesterday. I got off at 8 this morning. I got off at 7 this morning. I went to the chiropractor. If you don't know, I don't know if I told y'all this. I was in a car accident, and now I go to the chiropractor. So this is like my first week, I think. Y'all, I genuinely don't know. I literally don't know. But this might be my second week. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this is my first week. Who knows? I go 3 times a week. Yeah. I went this morning. So when I got off at 7, I went to the chiropractor right after that. So I got there at about 9 something. 9:20 something, I think. Something like that. So I went to the chiropractor, came home, showered, did everything, went to bed. I woke up at about 2, I want to say. And now, since I've been up, I ate and I scrolled on TikTok for a little bit. And now I'm just ready to get my life together. So I'm up and I'm finna clean and things of that nature. So yeah. Basically, if you're new here, I work 16-hour shifts or 8-hour shifts, but I work night shift. I either work 3 to 11, 3p to 11p, or 11p to 7a. So I'm a night shift girly, unfortunately. I like it, but I don't like it. I don't like it because I be feeling very sleep deprived, and I just feel like in the night I need to be asleep now. I want to be like a 5 a.m. girly, wake up at 5 a.m. and have like such a productive day. But realistically, is that me? And I can't be a 5 a.m. girly work your night shift, so yeah. And I don't want to try to switch a schedule or get a job or try to do the 7 to 3 yet, or like that type of schedule, because realistically, am I gonna get up that early? I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, basically, my mind has literally been all over the place. Like, I literally just sat down and looked at my schoolwork, and I have literally been tripping this entire week. I thought that my class ended Friday, but school don't end until next week. School ends next week. I've been so tripping. Like, I thought my final exams was tomorrow whole time. They're next Thursday. I've been tripping. Like, I have literally been tripping. So I gotta get it together. I feel like not only working nights, but just working like 16 hours and stuff like that, I feel like this is the most a facility has ever seen me. Like, ever. And I'm new to this, so it's like, I'm not new to being a CNA, but I started working nights, I think it was last year. The back-to-back 16 hours is new to me. Like a 16-hour Monday, Tuesday, that's new to me. And I don't want to start falling behind on my content because I'm already behind. I know I have a good 3 videos to edit. Where are my SD cards at? I don't know because my room looks a mess. Like, I don't know. I've also been into journaling recently. So, yeah. I'm really irritated though because I have this really cute journal. This is it. And I lost my key. So, I don't know where my key is, and it's like making me mad because I want to write in this specific book and I don't know where my key is. I also want to start reading. I want to do like a social media detox, or just like a detox from my phone, from devices, things like that. So that is also in the plan. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm really gonna delete like Instagram and stuff from my personal phone and just leave it on my content phone so I can still post content. Just like mindlessly scrolling for hours, I don't want to like do that at all. So yeah, we're definitely in the works of a detox. I have this book that I actually want to read. I'm gonna show y'all. This is the book that I would like to start reading. I got this from my mom, I believe. So yeah, I want to start reading this. But literally before I can start any of those habits, I need to get my life together. So yeah. I just wanted to show y'all my new plushie. I got it a couple days ago, maybe like a week ago. I don't think I ever showed y'all though. It's so cute. I got it from Walmart. And then y'all saw this one from Five and Below. This one, I don't remember where it's from actually. And then that one I got from Cracker Barrel. But yeah, I just finished making my bed, so let's get back into cleaning. Hey y'all, so it's been a couple hours since I last talked to y'all. It's 8:32 right now. I just got ready for work. We're wearing navy today with my Hello Kitty headband. Let me show y'all in the mirror, of course. I don't have my socks on or shoes on yet, so yeah, but please ignore the background. But this is the vibe for work. I did finish washing my clothes. I have to go swap the laundry out again. Gotta go to work, so tomorrow I'm canceling my first shift, so yeah, but I am working my second shift or whatever. Friday I have a hair appointment I just booked so I can take these braids out. It's definitely time to take them out. Right from here they look fine, but if I take this off my head, y'all gonna be like, what? I'm pretty sure y'all already seen. But yeah, I did organize my vanity a little bit. I was gonna wear this, but I'm not. It was organized, but it's not really as much now. I gotta make sure I have my pen, badge, and everything should be in my bag. I need to hurry up because I am driving myself. So yeah, I am gonna leave y'all here though. So I will talk to y'all in the morning when I get off. Good morning, y'all. It is currently 9:46. I just got home from work. I just came in the house. I went and fed Charlie, took him out and everything like that. I'm about to take a shower. I'm trying to decide if I want to lay down now because I am going to cancel my 3 to 11 shift, but I'm still going to work my 11 to 7 shift tonight. So yeah, I'm trying to see. Like, I'm about to get in the shower and do skincare and everything like that, but I want to decide if I'm taking Charlie to the vet to get a bath. He has some services that he needs. I think flea shots and something else, some other type of shots she was naming. I don't remember what they was called, but it's time for him to get serviced again. So I might take him today so he can get a bath as well. And then after that, I need to go to the pharmacy to pick up my medicine, and I called them on the way home and they finally have my medicine in stock, so I'm gonna go get my medicine as well. They said it'll be ready after 12. So yeah, and I think my brother's trying to go swimming today with his friends, and I need to take him, so I need to be around for all of that good stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to lay down now or lay down before my second shift, because if I lay down now, I don't want to like sleep until like 1. I'm probably just gonna stay up because I did drink a Red Bull on the way home. Like right when I got off work, I had a Red Bull. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I might just like take a shower and put clothes on and like not get in bed, because if I get in bed, I'm probably gonna fall asleep. But yeah, I'm finna go take a shower, and I will talk to you guys when I decide what I'm doing after that. Yeah. So it is currently 11:16. I done showered and ate breakfast and did skincare and everything like that. Now I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. It's rain. Dang, I just threw my phone. It's raining right now, so I don't really want to like leave. I'm trying to decide if I want to give Charlie a bath right now because it is raining and he gonna be barking and stuff, and I don't want to make my mom and them up too early because they gotta go to work. So maybe when they leave I'll give him a bath. But what am I gonna do till then? Let me think. Cause I decided I don't want to pay to give him a bath because I'm already finna have to pay for his like shots and crap. I don't want to pay for that. I might catch up on some schoolwork real quick while I wait, maybe, and then when they leave, give him a bath and then take him to get his shots or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what's happening. Cause I'm a little sleepy, but like not that bad. Like I'm okay. So. You're like another fire-breathing creature. It don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me down. But don't you forget it. If the person you fell won't ever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't it. Feeling in the air, my soul, dripping everywhere. I'm on it. I don't even care as long as you're playing in my bed. I'm on it. What everyone say, I'm on it. I couldn't care less as long as you're true leader. Not a bad promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decided it was fleeting. And if you shoot, then you can take every single dollar and the rest you say that I will too. And I mean it. Tell me, where do we go from here? Feeling in the air, my soul, dripping everywhere. I'm on it. I don't even care as long as you're playing in my bed. I'm on it. What everyone say, I'm on it. I couldn't care less as long as you're burning blue. I'm burning blue. I'm letting it Hey y'all, so I made it home. It is currently 2:42 a.m. I just got home. I'm about to shower and get on my breathing machine. Probably eat a snack because I'm a little hungry and go to bed. I'm allergic to Mariah's dog. That's the girl who did my hair. So, well, I'm allergic to dogs in general, but I'm having an allergic reaction, so I'm about to just take Benadryl to hopefully knock that out. And yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, probably get on my breathing machine, just go to sleep because I'm very tired. I'm very sleepy. So yeah, I will show y'all my hair for real tomorrow. I do like it. I think it's very cute, but I'm just really sleepy. So yeah. Hey y'all, so it has been a long time since I talked to y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It's currently Wednesday, July 23rd, and it's 11:02 in the morning. I got off of work and I went to the chiropractor. I worked 16 hours yesterday, I worked 16 hours Monday, and I worked 8 hours Sunday. So I'm done with work for the week. I'm off today, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I'm gonna vlog in those days or whatever. So right now I have a little package from AliExpress that came like Sunday or Monday. I'm gonna show y'all some of my packages and then I'm gonna give y'all a little update. So yeah, basically from Depop I just got this it's like a one piece and it flares. It's leggings. It's really cute. It looks very like small, but it stretches. It's like a medium. Yeah, it's a medium. Try that on to make sure I can fit it, because on here it says it's a medium, but on the thing it says it's a small, so I'm definitely gonna have to try that on. Yeah, but I'm gonna open this package. Okay, first we got the Apple Watch face thingy. I got like the Hello Kitty one because I thought that was cute. So yeah, I'm ready to put this on my watch. Yep, this is very cute. See, so yes, I got that. Okay, next I got this little tripod. Let me open it. It came with a charger. Yes, here is the tripod. It's for your phone. So yeah, I got an actual phone tripod. I need to get another one for my camera, not gonna lie, but because it's broke, I don't have a tripod for my camera. But this one is specifically for your phone, and it looks like it has a light on it, which is kind of cool. So I can record short form content for my phone and camera at the same time. But this is, I'm gonna have to figure out how to work this because I feel like I'm breaking. But yeah, next I got a mini fan, just because I want one for my work bag, specifically for when it's hot on these buildings and I don't have a fan. This is what it looks like. Very cutesy. It comes with this like Hello Kitty sticker thingy maybe. It comes with a charger, and it comes with this little stand. So yeah. Okay, next I'm not gonna open them, but I got 2 Hello Kitty hampers because I need more hampers for my clothes. So, and I really want to get rid of this one. So yeah, I just got 2 Hello Kitty hampers because they'll match the vibe, and I needed another hamper. So yeah. Okay, the last thing I got is this Hello Kitty mirror for my vanity. Yeah, this is what I got. I got the pink one, and it has a little storage thing right here, so I can put some stuff right here. So this is just gonna sit on my vanity. But yeah, this is the stuff I got from AliExpress. Hey y'all, so it has been a while since I last talked to y'all. It's currently 2:22. I am sitting at my vanity. I cleaned my room, kinda. It looks very presentable. I still have to like do laundry, and that's really kind of it. Just do some laundry. But yeah, room is looking good. I put all my stuff up. I just opened this little iPad case that this company sent me. I forgot that it was like a keyboard case, so it makes your iPad a laptop basically. So this is what it looks like. It's pink, it's very cutesy. You open it up and you got the keyboard. My iPad is up here. The screen rotates like this. Like, it's very crazy. Yeah, I just recorded the little TikTok to promote this or whatever. Yeah, it's a Type. I think that's the brand. It's called Type. But yeah, on TikTok. Yeah, and I also recorded like a little kind of reset video. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna call it or whatever, but I recorded me cleaning a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. So this is what my vanity is looking like. I didn't know where to put this. I took it out of my bathroom, so I had my candle going, but I put the lid back on it and my remote. And then back here we got all of my belongings. My vanity is looking nice and organized and put together, very cutesy. And then over here, my computer. I was drinking this water. It goes right here. But yeah, all of this is looking very organized and put together, very cutesy. And then my dresser. Also, this is the case I just took off of my iPad. This is everything I need to fold that I just don't feel like folding, not gonna lie. Yeah, cute little ottoman moment. This is my bed. She's looking very cute. Nightstand is dang near broke again, but it's cute and organized. Blinds are open. Super tall tripod for no reason. My mirror is low-key kind of clean, but it needs to be cleaned again. Not gonna lie, I just cleaned it, but yeah. See, at least you can see my floor. You can see what we're working with. I vacuumed. My closet, them clothes need to get washed. Everything is organized, put together. I got some random stuff in these bags. But yeah, bathroom is clean. You can see my floor. You can see my counter. You can see everything. Everything's clean. I love that. I cleaned my toilet and everything. I even cleaned my closet. Let me show y'all. Yep. Okay, but everything is clean and nice and tidy, so I'm happy. My room is finally clean because y'all, it was so like long overdue. Now we just gotta keep it that way. Right now, I think I'm gonna take my brother to get a haircut. He just texted me and asked me to take him to the barbershop. So I'm gonna put some clothes on and I guess take him to get his haircut, and then I don't know what I'm doing after that. I have a good bit of schoolwork to do because this week is like my last week of my summer classes, so I got a good bit of work that I need to get done. So hey y'all, so it has been a while since I talked to y'all. That was very rude. It is currently 8:26. It's Thursday, July 24th. I am just chilling. I just woke up from a nap not too long ago. I'm about to yap because y'all know that's my favorite thing to do. So yeah, I don't remember the last time I talked to y'all actually, so we're just gonna do a whole little catch-up session real quick. So yesterday, I think I talked to y'all after I finished cleaning my room and stuff. I ended up going to get food and I took my brother to get his haircut, and I think it rained. I'm not sure, but I know last night I didn't do anything. We ate Qdoba and then Mari came over, so yeah, I did an assignment and I went to sleep. Today was my little brother's first day of school. He's a sophomore in high school. So this morning he woke me up and he went to school, and then I ran some little errands with my mom. I took my final exams for school. I was in summer classes and I took my last 2 final exams or whatever. So yeah, and then after that I went to City Trends and I got 3 pairs of scrubs, I believe. So yeah, and then after that I had car rider duty, so I had to go pick up my little brother from school, took him to get food, came home, and I chilled for a little bit, and then when I came in my room, knocked out. So now I am up. I am about to go clean the kitchen and then figure out what's for dinner. But before I do that, I just want to give y'all a little update on my life. So I was low-key kind of talking to this boy, and it really seemed like he was ghosting me, or like in the stages of about to ghost me or whatever. So I just text him and I'm like, you know, what's up? Let me know what's up. So he basically just told me his whole situation and everything that was going on or whatever. And so me and him are done talking or whatever. I'm just like, okay, cool, whatever. He's like, thank you for understanding. And I just hearted the message or whatever. So I said all that to say I'm low-key I'm not irritated, because deal what you gotta deal with, you know, whatever. I'm not irritated about that. I'm irritated about the fact that a dude will literally follow you on social media. He will follow you, he will text you, he will like your story, he will do all of the things. He will come so hard trying to talk to you, get your number, talk to you, and then will be like, oh, this is going on, I don't want to talk to you. Why did you text me in the first place? Why did you text me? Why did you get my number? Why did you do all that? Like, that just irritated me, because leave me alone. You can leave me alone from the jump. Why do you feel the need to come text me? go away. Like, leave me alone. And then when I don't respond, you're bougie, you're this, you're that, da, da, da. I'm low-key about to deactivate my Instagram. I'm not feeling Instagram. I'm not feeling the vibes. I was already thinking about social media detox or whatever, so I'm finna do that now. I'm trying to decide if I want to deactivate my Instagram or if I just want to delete it. I think I'm just gonna like delete the app because I don't want to take out the time to deactivate it, just because I don't know if I know my password. And if I don't know my password, like logging back into it, trying to get it back, whatever, I don't know. I'm just gonna delete the app. I'm deleting it off this phone too. Y'all know at first I said I was keeping this phone or whatever. I don't know. I just feel like I just want to be left alone. I don't want to talk. I'm finna go through my phone and block people. Like, just go away, leave me alone, you know? So yeah, I'm over people. I'm over just everything. Like, okay, so we're deleting this. The only form of social media that I will have is TikTok and YouTube, of course. Y'all follow my Pinterest, follow my TikTok. I'm gonna be active on there. I'm actually about to edit a video. Y'all go follow my TikTok. I posted this yesterday. I posted my hair appointment video. I'm deleting it off this phone too. Like, I'm just over it. So goodbye. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have time. I'm over social media. The people who need to talk to me have my number. If they don't need to talk to me. Like, that's just how I feel. Tonight, it's already 8 o'clock. I'm not really sleepy since I just had a nap, so I probably have like a little bit of energy. So I think tonight I'm going to probably finish building my Lego set. I had started a Lego set maybe like a week and a half ago, and I never finished it, so I might finish my Lego set, not gonna lie. Just kind of vibe and chill. Hey y'all, so it has been a little while since I talked to y'all. It is currently 9:48. We are in the kitchen with it. I'm about to cook dinner. Yes, I'm cooking dinner at 9:48. It is just me and my little brother here, so I'm cooking for us. If it's good, it's gonna be leftovers, and you know, if they eat it, they eat it. If they don't, they don't. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to cook. I'm not a person who cooks dinner and crap like that, so we're gonna just see how this goes and where this goes and everything like that, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to cook. So I got all my ingredients laid out though, so yeah. My camera's about to die, unfortunately, so follow my TikTok. I have my content phone and my tripod, so we're gonna put this to use. So if y'all want the full thing, go watch it on here. But yeah, I'm about to see where this goes. I'm gonna put my camera on the charger and I will show y'all the process once this charges. Update, the noodles are boiling. I think they're almost done. I honestly think I used too much, but somebody gonna eat on this, so I hope. I did the sausage. They're just sitting right there. Here is the ground beef. So yeah, once this done, I'm gonna drain it and mix everything together. So yeah, I burnt my hand like really bad, especially right there in my pinky, like my finger. Those two fingers are burnt really bad. They're throbbing. I accidentally set it on the stove like this on accident. So yeah, my hand is hurting really bad. I don't know if y'all can tell. I feel like it's a little swole and it's really red, so yeah. Before my camera die, I'm going to taste my spaghetti with you guys, because you know, this is my first time cooking and everything. I did fix me a glass of juice. I just put 3 cubes of ice in here because I wanted it extra cold. I'm low-key really nervous. I'm scared. But yeah, let's see if it's hitting like it's supposed to. Wait, because this isn't bad. Let me get another bite before I get excited. Let's see. This is good. It tastes like spaghetti. My camera's dying. Bye. So it has been a minute since I talked to y'all. It is currently Friday, July 25th. It is 10:40 at nighttime. Yes, it's nighttime. I got me some ice cream. I got a little caramel sundae going. And I'm about to watch TV, I think, until I go to sleep. I don't really watch TV, especially not on my TV. So we got my TV going. And I think I'm gonna watch Max, HBO Max or whatever. Wasn't trying to do that. I'm probably gonna watch The Summer I Turned Pretty, because I'm pretty sure it's like a new season going on right now and I haven't watched it. So I'm gonna see what that's about. Maybe I'm gonna give y'all an update on my day real quick. Today I got up like really early this morning and took my little brother to school, and then after that I went to the chiropractor. I came home, I gave Charlie a bath, and then I took him to the vet. I literally spent $235 at the vet. They gave him like shots and pulled his teeth. They did like a whole bunch. Yeah, when I came home I was drained. I ate some spaghetti, and what did I do after that? I know I caught up on my schoolwork tonight. I took a little nap. I really just had like a really chill day, not gonna lie. Now my morning was a little hectic, like with Charlie and everything, but once all that died down and after my nap, because if you don't know, I'm allergic to Charlie. I have to take medicine just to like be around him and stuff. So I took my medicine before I gave him his bath, and I was fine with him. But when we got to the vet, like my allergies was through. Like I was all stuffy, I was sneezing, I was coughing, my eyes is watering, my face is so red, my head is throbbing, like it was bad. And I think it was just being in the vet with all them animals or whatever. So, or just being, I think it was just being in that environment that kind of affected me. Because when I stepped outside I was fine. But that was my day. My day was really chill. I had like a good day. This was like day one, no social media, so it was cool. Like I go on my phone and I low-key go where like the Instagram app was, and I'm about to tap it just off of muscle memory. There's nothing there, but I'm actually very excited for tomorrow. I booked my Pilates class. So yeah, it's at 8:30, so I'm probably about to just eat this and go to sleep. I probably won't even watch the show because it's already 10:40. The class is at 8:30 in the morning, and I'm not really a morning person. Like I'll get up, but I haven't really been a morning person, especially with working. I used to be one, but I haven't really been one. I like to sleep in, so I'm gonna set my alarm. I want to get up like pretty early. I'm not gonna like shower or anything before the class. I'm gonna shower after the class. So yeah, I already took a shower, y'all. I'm in my night clothes. Skincare is done. Them animals affected my my face so bad. Like my eyes were like so puffy. So I had to all I did, I washed my face with my cleanser that I use, and then I went in with like the CeraVe healing ointment, and that's all I did on my face for tonight because I need that eczema to go away like tomorrow. But I'm really excited for Pilates. I'm gonna pick y'all back up in the morning when I'm getting ready for Pilates. I am ready. I just got on this black wool jacket from TikTok shop with some leggings. My Kate Spade backpack is what I'm carrying, and I'm gonna wear my I'm wearing my Yeezys. It's currently 8:07, so I'm about to take my dog out and go ahead and leave. So yeah. Hey y'all, so it's 8:25. I just got here. I'm low-key nervous, but like not really. I'm excited more so than nervous or scared or whatever. There's only 5 cars here besides mine, so it probably won't be like a lot of people, which I love that. But yeah, I gotta be in there by 8:30. I'm finna go ahead and go in there because I'm pretty sure I gotta buy the socks, because I thought I had some but I don't. So I couldn't find them. I thought I had some but I guess I don't. So yeah, I'm finna go in there and meet everybody and see what it is. And yeah. So I just got out of Pilates. It's 9:20. I'm finna go meet my mom and stepdad. But Pilates was pretty good. Like, I enjoyed it. My legs was definitely hurting. My arms was hurting during, like, we really just did like the basic stretches and stuff. We did a couple stuff on the machine. It really wasn't that bad. I actually want to go again. So I'm at home. I'm about to make me something to eat for breakfast. I'm probably gonna do sausage and eggs and maybe toast. Yeah, and then after that I'm going to go take a shower, and I have like 3 assignments due tomorrow, and yeah, then I'll be done with summer classes. So I'm gonna go do my little assignments real quick. So I am at home. I just made my breakfast. I literally just have eggs and sausage. So yeah, I boiled some eggs and put some lemon pepper season on it. And I got 2 sausages. I low-key burnt them, but I feel like they're gonna be good. That's really good. I'm sitting in my vanity chair because I don't want to get on my bed, but I'm about to watch The Summer I Turned Pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this episode, and then I'm gonna finish this episode, eat my food. It's only 10:53, so yeah. Hey y'all, so it is currently the next day since I last talked to y'all. It's 10:27 in the morning. I just got to the church. I'm going to church with my friend. I just got here, so yeah, mind you, I've never been to this church, so yeah, this is her church and I'm just visiting. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there, and yeah, I'm a little nervous just because I ain't never been here, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all and let y'all know how it goes when I come out. Hey y'all, so it's been a while since I talked to y'all. It's currently 4:06. I went to church with my friend. Church was good, and then we ended up going to eat at Patio 44. It was also really good. I just had chicken and waffles, and now I'm at home. I've been home for a while, but I just changed into my swim clothes so I can take my little brother and his friends swimming. I don't know if I'm gonna swim or not. I'm gonna bring my iPad just in case, like, I want to edit or something. I don't really know if I'm gonna swim, but I did just get dressed to swim, so yeah, we shall see. I don't really know if I'm gonna swim or not. I probably won't even talk to y'all again. I don't know. I have to go to work tonight, so yeah. And then I forgot that I have my brother's friend's mom is graduating from the LPN program, so me and my little brother are going to her graduation tomorrow. Totally forgot about that. So I have to cancel my first shift tomorrow so I can make the graduation or whatever, because I'm taking him to the graduation. So yeah, forgot all about that. So that's what I have to do tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just updating y'all. I'm gonna see how much footage I have and see how long I'm gonna keep this video going. So yeah, but that's what we about to do. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all later on. Hey y'all, so it has been a very long time since the last time I talked to y'all. It is currently August 4th. Alexa, what time is it?
Good afternoon, Kaylin. It's 12:32 p.m.
It's 12:32 in the afternoon. I just wanted to come give y'all a little update because I never finished off this vlog or whatever. So basically, I literally just got off work. I got off at 7 this morning. Well, it was after 7. It was almost 8 o'clock. Had to drive home. Then I went to the chiropractor. I ran some errands with my brother, and now I'm just now getting home. I'm about to shower. I'm not going to sleep because I have things to do today, but basically, I honestly don't remember the last time I talked to y'all. Y'all know I went to Pilates. I want to show y'all this little book that I ordered. My mom ordered it for me. I sent it to her. It's called Pink Lips and Empty Hearts. So I want to start reading this. I haven't read it yet, but it came in the mail a couple of days ago. This is the book. I got it off of Amazon. I do want to start reading that. I also got a new tripod. Of course, it's the pink one that I already had. I just, you know, I got a new tripod. It's taller, I think. But yeah, new tripod. So a little update. It has been 11 days, no Instagram, and life isn't that bad without it. Not gonna lie, it's more chill. I'm still on my phone. I'm kind of weaning myself off of just scrolling off of on TikTok, because I'm on TikTok a good bit. But yeah, I don't know if I talked to y'all about this, but I went to a game night the other day. That was actually Saturday. I went to a game night at my friend's church. I can't remember if I said anything to y'all about it, but it was a little game night, and it was actually really fun. I probably will insert some of the clips or pictures or whatever. It was fun. It was a cool event. They ended up adding me. She ended up adding me to the little group chat, so I'm in the group chat and can see like when they hanging out again, what they doing, stuff like that. So yeah, life has been fun. Life is feeling a lot better. Y'all don't know this, but I did give my life to Christ back in like March. Now I'm really trying to take it more serious and actually do the things, and you know, whatever. I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but yes, I am getting myself together and just working on being a better me, you know. So yeah,